Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new Flux lock screen for your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download this Flux lock screen on your Android device. This lock screen download link available on description. Before open, first go to setting and disable your system lock screen and AOD. Look at this. First, I disable my system lock screen. Simply go to About Device, Enable Developer Options, tap in version 7 times and enable your developer option. After enable developer options, simply go to developer options. Look at this and simply enable this do not use lock screen option and disable your system lock screen. Look at this. Now disable system AOD. After disable system lock screen and AOD, now open this lock screen. After open, guys, set some permissions. Guys, look at this. Set this display pop-up permission for enable this lock screen. Then simply go to setting, go to apps, go to special app access and scroll and look at this display pop-up will background. Simply set this permission. Now set notification permission. After set all permissions, simply tap on next. And look at this, I already set this display pop-up permission. Then simply tap on don't show again and close. Simply tap on add shortcut, tap on add and simply enable this lock screen and AOD. Now, look at these many beautiful lock screens available on this app. This is depth effect, wallpapers with depth clock, aesthetic clock, Flux aesthetic clock, live aesthetic clocks. Look at this, tap on see more and beautiful Flux lock screen and AOD on this app. Simply tap on apply. And guys, look at this new Flux lock screen enable on your Android device. Look at this, Samsung Now bar also available on this lock screen. Many beautiful preset Flux themes available on this app. Simply tap and look at this downside guys. You also customize your clock, font style, font, colors, animations and apply. Now guys, look at these magic motion wallpapers. This is animated wallpapers. You also customize clock color, and look at this. This is magic motion wallpapers. Let me show you. Simply tap on apply and first select this lock screen, tap on use this and look at this. And guys, magic tilt wallpapers also available on this app. Look at these many preset lock screens. After select and apply, simply select this lock screen and tap on use these. And look at this. And guys, most important thing about this lock screen, you set custom wallpapers from gallery. Look at this, simply tap on upload image and set wallpaper from gallery. You also set Flux video custom wallpaper from gallery. Simply tap on upload image and select any wallpaper. Look at this, I select from gallery and tap on apply and select this lock screen. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. You also set this new Flux lock screen on your any Android device. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.